Long sleep versus quick life. Cicada versus grasshopper. Tiger Brothers created. Cicadas and grasshoppers are both insects, but their lives follow very different paths. Cicadas spend most of their lives underground, slowly growing and waiting. Grasshoppers live above ground and start jumping, eating, and growing right away. Cicadas can stay underground for many years before coming out as adults. Fun fact: some cicadas appear only once every 13 or 17 years. Grasshoppers usually live for only a few months, from birth to adulthood. Cicadas are usually larger and heavier than most grasshoppers. Grasshoppers have strong back legs that help them jump very far and fast. Cicadas are not great jumpers, but they can fly steadily from tree to tree. Cicadas drink plant fluids using straw-like mouthparts. Grasshoppers chew leaves and plants using strong jaws. Fun fact: cicadas are some of the loudest insects in the world. Grasshoppers stay safe by jumping away quickly and blending into grass. Cicadas survive by hiding underground for years and appearing all at once.